Bear Grylls. I'm going to show you what it takes to get out alive with some of the most dangerous places on Earth. I've got to make it through a week of challenges in the sort of places you wouldn't last a day without the right survival skills.
Amigo Grylls!
Tackling treacherous glaciers. Wow! That goes on.
Where are you going, Bear? So this is a place very dangerous. It's full of animals that we don't know, and let's see what.
There are many chupacabras.
A lot of things can happen to you on this place. You have to be very careful in every move that you do. Let's move on. It's very, very wide. I can barely see. Whoa! Bear! Help me, Bear! This is the way you have to do to get out of one thing like this. In this, very dangerous.
This, right here. I don't know what the fuck is this shit. I think it's lemons. I don't know. Let's watch. This shit right here. It's lemon. It's really good. No.
No?
Fuck this. Hey, look, tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Bear, stop it. Stop it, Bear. There's a lion. There's a lion, Bear. There's a lion. Run! 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 Behind the tree! Behind the tree! Go! Go! Fast! 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 Bear! Bear! Fast! Fast!
I sent the grenade.
Oh, forget it. Forget Bear. It's
fucking
just a dog.
Just a dog.
Just a dog.
Oof, oof. Who wants lemons?